My kitten immediately took to this cat scratcher because she loves a hard surface to lay on or something to sit on. And this one in particular is very well made. I love that it is made of real wood. One side it has this softer carpet, and then the other side it has this much more rough textured carpet that your cat can use to scratch at. And I love that there are 3 different ways that they can use it. So you can have it this way where it is arched, or you can turn it around on these little feet and have it sit like that. Or you swing this arm out, then it's like a standing up scratching post. But my cat also loves to just be under things, so this creates another little hideaway nook for her to climb under there and hide away. She loves that. And it's definitely very strong. It'll support your cat no matter what their weight is. And I love that it's aesthetic and not overly colorful like a lot of cat toys can be, so it goes very well with my home decor. And I just feel like the 2 scratching areas are very durable and they're not going to get ruined too quickly. And you could even place it this way around and hang like a dangling toy from here for your cat to swat at, and you can kind of customize it in that way, which I think is really fun. But overall, it's definitely very nice. My cat has really liked it a lot, so I think that you're gonna like it too.